Well, hello there travelers, welcome back to my travel channel. I promised you in my last video that I will have an exciting new backpack that we will pack together, and in this video I will show you what that backpack is. Spoiler alert, it is the new BAGSMART travel backpack. It's called Blast, it's brand new, I just got it. Is it the best backpack out there for carry-on only travel? Does it fit the size requirements for a personal item? And most importantly, can I fit all this into this one backpack for a 1-week beach vacation? Let's find out. So on the inside we have packing cubes. They are also from BAGSMART, same brand. What you see here is actually accessible from down here, and this is for your shoes or anything else that you don't want the rest of the backpack, like your clean clothes. If you don't want them to touch something, most likely it's going to be shoes, then yes, this will go in here, accessible from the bottom. I think that alone is a game changer. And then plenty of room, it's really nice and deep. So this entire compartment here is like plasticky. Sounds really nice too. If you don't want to use a toiletry bag, you can literally just put your toothbrush and your essentials in here, zip it up, and it's not going to spill on your clothes. So I think this is amazing. Plus you can see what's inside. You can see through. So this is the very top. In the very top, you have like all these compartments. So this will easily fit a camera, for example, or a tripod, or your wallet, your phone, if you like. So perfect compartment for things that you want to access quickly. On the outside, we've got this mesh, stretchy mesh area where you can fit lots of stuff in here. Ooh, we've got another zipper. I haven't even seen that yet. So here, we've got yet another pocket, accessible from the outside. Then here on the side, we've got a handle. So if you do put it in the overhead compartment on the plane, you can just pull it out like this. So, or you can even carry the whole bag like a normal bag, not a backpack. Just found this little zipper here, hidden compartment under the handle. Perfect. Probably the best spot for the passport. On the other side here, we've got space for a water bottle, and it stretches really far, so you can put a really big water bottle in here as well. And then last but not least, here in the back, ta-da! Perfect compartment. Opens up all the way for your laptop. So here's my big 15-inch. Let's see if we can fit it. Nice Velcro. Oh, easy. Fits in here like a charm. I reckon you could even put some sandals or some flat shoes in here, because you've got 2 compartments. Yeah, great quality zippers. And then here we've got another hidden compartment. Oh, is this the one that I found earlier? And I just now found that this is where you can extend the backpack. Look at that. So now it's actually bigger now. Look at that. Amazing. Or you can have this open while you pack it and then compress it. So it's pretty much like one big compression packing cube. Amazing. Like, I really feel with this backpack, you don't need a second bag to hide anywhere, because you can literally fit everything in here with all the hidden compartments. I love this little side pocket here. I didn't even see that the first time I looked at it. So I think this is a very safe area to put a passport. I really love that handle as well. Then of course it comes with one of those straps here, so you can slide it over your suitcase if you also travel with a suitcase. I mean, I've given up suitcases long time ago, as you would know if you've seen my previous videos. But technically, if you travel with a suitcase as well, you just slide that over the handle and you don't even have anything on your back. And if you've seen me pack my Antler backpack in my last video, you might have noticed that it does not come with those straps here. So my Antler backpack does not have this. I thought it's not a big deal, but you know what? when you carry up to 7 kilos on your back, this makes a huge difference. I find it so much more comfortable with this. Also, I have to say, they are really, really comfortable because I think the spacing is a bit wider, but not too wide. So like I have very small shoulders and I mean, it fits absolutely perfectly. I do like the colors. It looks sort of dressy, I feel. Yeah, so first impressions, really, really good. But we need to pack it to see what it really does for us here. One more thing before we pack it. I also have the previous version of this Blast travel backpack and I will show you the difference. There isn't much difference, but like a few small differences. Alrighty, this is the previous version, all in like, I don't know, whatever that color is, in like that off-white color. So it's like there is no black. I think it looks maybe a little bit more elegant. It has the same zippers on the sides, hidden compartments. It also has a zipper here. So yeah, this outside compartment that this one has in the mesh that stretches nicely because of the mesh material. This one doesn't have the mesh material, so it means it doesn't stretch as much. So yes, this is definitely an improvement if you want to put a lot of stuff into the outside front pockets of your backpack. Alrighty, let's see if there's any difference on the insides. So it comes with that shoe compartment that you can access from the bottom as well. This also stretches for your water bottle. The difference is we don't have that clear compartment for your toiletries. Apart from that, pretty much the same size and same weight as well. And the BAGSMART logo is a little bit more hidden here on this one. All right, so here they are both next to each other. You can see size is the same. But yeah, this is the newest model, so this is the one that I'm most excited about. So let's go and pack this bad boy, shall we? Alrighty, you guys, so here is everything I want to bring. And I'm gonna travel with Jetstar to the Gold Coast for 1 week. So I will be on the beach, it's gonna be warm, which of course helps. I don't have to bring a lot of heavy sweaters. And it's gonna be warm the entire time, which means I will not bring anything long sleeve, but I will bring my jeans jacket. Will be wearing that on the plane because yeah, as we all know, it does get cold on planes. Technically, I would be allowed my wheeled Samsonite carry-on bag as well. So they are not that strict yet, but again, airlines are getting stricter and stricter. I'm preparing for the future here. Challenge accepted. Let's see if we can fit everything here into this backpack and stay way under 7 kilos. Also, in comparison to my Antler backpack that I was packing last time, this is just much lighter. It just feels like the material is like really designed to be as light as possible while still feeling very strong. And I think this is the right moment to say thank you to BAGSMART. They have actually sent me that bag. I'm very, very excited and very grateful. And I mean, they didn't say make a video and praise the bag. Like they didn't tell me what to say. So I'm still telling you my very, very honest feelings and my very honest review here. Don't you worry. If there's anything I didn't like about the bag, I will definitely tell you. So far, I love it. Spoiler alert. Look, to be completely honest, if I would have to fault it, I don't love the combination of the black and the light color. But I mean, look, it's still, I mean, it's actually growing on me now. But when I first compared it to the previous model, I found that the previous model looks a little bit more elegant. But then again, how elegant do you want to be when you travel? This is definitely more functional because the mesh is awesome because it expands. And I love the inside with the clear compartment for toiletries. So I do prefer the new one. And I think they've done a really good job upgrading something that was already pretty perfect to begin with. But how sensitive is it? Like, is it gonna get dirty if I travel a lot with it? And I mean, you do put it under the seat in front of you and people like put their shoes there. So we will see how dirty it gets. But I checked on their website, you can actually wash the entire backpack. So that's crazy. Like I don't know if I wanna wash it, but it is washable according to the website. So you can wash it. I would probably just do some surface wiping if it gets dirty. All right, and here we have the BAGSMART packing cubes. So we've got 2 medium ones, 2 small ones, and then that's the large one. I will attempt to put everything into this one. Let's see how we go. I mean, again, like when you extend the zipper, they are quite deep. So what am I bringing? I've got those very light linen pants. I will put them on the bottom here. And yes, they will need ironing again at the hotel. Then I've got 1 pair of shorts. Make sure everything, all your tops match all your bottoms. It is definitely a good idea to actually lay out everything you want to bring on the bed first, and not just to start packing, because by the time you put your last item in, you will have forgotten what your first item was, and then you might pack something that you don't actually need. So always lay out everything on the bed. Make sure all your tops match all your bottoms so that you can mix and match and get the most out of your wardrobe. Only then we start putting things into our packing cubes. So I've got plenty of tops, so I will not have to wash. Can't be bothered. I've got plenty of outfit options here. 1 pair of workout shorts. And then I'm also going to bring this play suit because I love it and it actually weighs almost nothing. And now let's close it up. Very, very easy. Plenty of room still in here. Now the compression part. This is the fun part. Look at that. So easy. Oh my God. And the zippers are very good as well. Good quality. And I mean, it matches the color scheme of my backpack. What else can we ask for aesthetically? And there you have it. Perfectly compressed. Let's put this into the bag. Oh, easy. So there's plenty. Oh my God, there's so much space on the sides. So now I'm thinking I might use one of those long ones and put my undies and my PJs in. 5 pairs of undies because I can wash them easily in the sink, so that would be easy. Pajamas. So I'm only bringing 2 pairs of socks because I'll be wearing my sandals most of the time. Actually, one of my viewers told me not to roll them up into a ball because they take up more space, but rather just have them like this. I mean, you're not gonna have so many socks that it will take you forever to find the matching one. So there's actually really no reason to roll them up. So I'm just gonna put them in like this. Thank you to my viewer who recommended that. So you guys sometimes have really amazing ideas as well. And I mean, we're all here to learn. With every video, I'm gonna improve something because you guys giving me very helpful feedback sometimes. So please keep the feedback coming. I do appreciate it very much. And I do read all my comments and I do reply to all my comments. So don't be shy, say hello and tell me what you're doing differently because maybe I'm doing it wrong. Who knows? Let me know. I always have those socks that have like rubber soles because I can wear them in hotel gyms if I don't want to bring other shoes or on questionable hotel rooms, especially if it's tiled. I don't like walking with bare feet on tiles. So I'm not gonna fold them, I'm just gonna place them in here. So there you have it. And of course my bikinis, almost forgot. Let's zip it up. They were actually already compressed. So it would have been easier to put everything in when it was like this. But anyway, so now it is compressed. All right, let's put that in. Easily fits here on the sides. Next, toiletries. All right, let me show you what I bring. I really don't bring a lot of makeup, especially when I'm going to the beach. I don't need that much. I always ask for samples before I fly, as you know. So I love having my samples. Got like a small perfume from Rituals, and I got that in Austria actually. Eyeliners and hair ties, a blusher, makeup that's also sunscreen. There's my turtle necklace and a foldable brush from Sports Girl. Let me demonstrate. There's some hair in there, gross. So it just opens up and then more hair comes out and then collapse it like this again, and it has a mirror as well. So all this will go into the lid, even though like I could just throw it in without the Ziploc bag, but I guess it's nice to keep everything together. Also my toothbrush and my sunscreen, which of course, I mean, we need sunscreen here in Australia in summer. So this goes in here as well. It's here. My sleeping mask, just in case that it's crazy sunny in my hotel room, I will put that in here as well. All right, so let's close this. And then I do have like a little bag for like walking around. It's nothing super fancy, it's from Lululemon. I just recently found it again in my wardrobe. It's been somewhere in the back of my wardrobe, but it's actually perfect. It's very light. Does fit quite a lot of stuff. It's got lots of zippers as well, and yeah, you can just throw stuff in there. I could absolutely just wear this on the plane in addition to my backpack, because then that's my personal item and that's my carry-on, which with Jetstar would be okay. But because this has all the compartments and everything will be easy accessible, I'm just gonna pack this, that I really only just have one bag. It just makes everything so much easier, guys. Then I've got my Eco Tea Studio, which is my Etsy shop, link in the description. I've got travel t-shirts and I've got this. So this is just like my little beach bag. Goes in here as well. We are almost done now. Sunglasses, my Thermo sunglasses, again, 50% off with the link in the description for any glasses from Thermo. My favorites. I think we are definitely ready to zip up the main compartments here. Wow, there is still so much room in there. This would easily fit in there as well, but I will wear it on the plane. Let me put my Thermo sunglasses here in the top. And my passport goes in here. I think that's definitely what it's meant for. This is perfect. Alrighty, and now last but not least, the shoes. And again, we can access that from the bottom. Oh, this is so cool. Let's just flip it upside down, the whole thing. And let's put the shoes here. Awesome. I love that the zippers have those extensions as well. Makes it so much easier. Now we can compress the entire backpack. Wow. That is so easy. Last but not least, some cable stuff. In-ear headphones with cables for like in-flight entertainment, if there even is, because it's a shorter flight. But I bring them just in case. And my phone charger. And that's really all I need, because on this trip I'm not gonna bring my laptop, because this is just gonna be a holiday. We can put them in here. Plenty of room in there. This really like holds space for other small things that you need. My disinfectant wipes, hand cream and everything. Let's put it on, let's test it. Oh, it's not heavy. It's really not heavy. I mean, of course it added up, but I mean, look at it. It looks so much smaller than the Antler. And then of course I can close it here. And this definitely helps. This is, oh my God, this is so comfortable. It is actually a really good looking bag. All right, the ultimate test. Let's find out how heavy it really is. Oh, wow. 4.4 kilos. That is so much lighter than the last one. Yes, we are packing lighter clothes, but we've got quite a lot of stuff in here. So that's amazing. So the backpack itself weighs under 1 kilo. And that of course makes a big difference already. Honestly, I love it. I keep finding new hidden pockets. Highly recommend it. Check out the link in my description. There you will find the direct link to this exact backpack and the packing cubes. I think I found the perfect solution, and it will fit with the strictest airlines as well. It will fit into their size checkers, and you never have to worry again about having an overweight bag. Perfect solution, what can I say? All right, and what am I gonna wear on the plane? You are asking. I'm gonna wear this jacket. I'm not gonna bring a scarf because it's summer, it's hot, and it's not gonna be that cold. But I mean, I could easily fit it in here if I wanted to. And then it's also very easy to access it. So this is what I'm gonna wear. And of course, my sandals. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Please, if you have any suggestions, any tips, any questions, share them in the comment section down below. And I'll see you in my next video. Happy light travels. Bye.